Hello, beautiful people. Today we're at it again with another awesome video. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into a simple strategy called the Mondays. And we're currently on GU on a weekly time frame. And the purpose of that is to get an overall idea where the market's at, which direction is the trend. As you can see, GU have been dropping for some time. We have a weekly supply zone, which is this area right here. This is where current market is. I'm going to mark up this last buying candle because that is what broke the structure, push the market down with these selling candles right here. And I'm just going to mark this zone from wick to wick. If it does not have a wick, you mark the bodies to the wick. So that way when I drop to a lower time frame, it'll help me identify and remember that I am in a weekly supply zone. Same thing on a daily, nothing has changed. If I was taking a swing trade, then I will be looking for a setup here, but I'm an intraday trader, and the only thing I'm going to do is turn on this one indicator called Monday's candles, because this is going to help me quickly identify which candles are the Mondays, and that way we can get right into it and turn all the other ones off. So Mondays. Now my Mondays candles are highlighted in purple. I'm going to go ahead and drop to the 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, last Monday we have this set of candles that were in the Monday box. With this indicator, it's not all that perfect and accurate. As you can see, there's a candle that is purple and it's for Sunday when the market had opened. So it's up to you if you want to include that in your box. For the sake of what really counts as Mondays, for the sake of this training, I am going to include it. And I'm also going to make sure I include the other candles. I'm going to exclude it and make sure I include the candles that are actually for Monday. And the way you can do that is just look at the bottom down here just to confirm that these are still in Monday. So just say Sunday. Let's move you over to, and it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so I have my Mondays box and it's highlighted in yellow. And so what I'm going to do is take my GAN box, or you can take this parallel channel, anything where you can identify 50% of this box, because that's the strategy. And as you can see, my golden line is my 50%. When Monday ended, so with this strategy, you want to ask yourself, when Monday ended, which is this counter right here, where was the market, below or above the 50% line? It ended below the 50%. So what I'm going to be doing is looking for a sell. And so what I'm going to do is wait till the market pull back. Now for me, if you had pending order, you would have caught this trade here, and you would have made about 80 something pips on both of these trades. Well, I'm now coming in this market late, so let me go ahead and turn off these Monday's candles real quick. So I'm in this market late, but I know I'm still in a weekly zone. I also have a few other confirmations, which is a head and shoulder pattern. I don't know if you guys see this here. Beautiful head and shoulder pattern. And we're over here at the right shoulder right here. But just to stick with the Monday strategy, I'm going to see if I can find another setup where I can also get in for a sell. I'm going to draw my lovely trend line right here, because I can see this is where the market pulled back. Once this market breaks this trend line, okay, that should raise some flags. And not only that, I see another head and shoulder pattern as well as confirmation that, hey, this market is ready to turn around for the sell. And so this is what I'll be looking for, and looking for my entry at this left shoulder, well, adjacent to the left shoulder. Now, for those who use candlestick confirmations, you have quite a few things that you can use. One is this bearish engulfing right here is a confirmation. Two, you can draw another trend line or to compare, okay, well, this is the high, and then the market had an opportunity, this swing had an opportunity to break this high. It did not. Instead, now it's turning around. So you should be asking yourself, is this high higher than this one? And if the answer is no, then that should raise some green flags to say, hey, this market is ready to possibly sell. And so not only do you have a few confirmations like your trend line break, your head and shoulder pattern, your bearish engulfing, and the retest of the Mondays, and you're in a weekly supply zone, that should give you the confidence to take the sell. I am in this sell for today, and I'm looking to take it back to the previous low of this box and to see if there are any gaps that needed to be filled from this area. That could be another take P area. For those who love to use fibs, you can use those as well as your TP areas. So in this case, I could take my swing low to my swing high, and based on my entry, I can just go ahead and mark this area right here, 618 area, which is where previous structure was. And then you possibly have an inverted right shoulder anyway, so this will be a good area to take profit if you want to use your fibs. So with the Mondays strategy, once again, you box up the Mondays candles, and when the market closes when it opens on Tuesday, you look to see where the last candle closed, if it was below or above the 50% of the box. And then based on that, you can opt to take a trend continuation trade, which is to sell down and catch this move, or you can take the violation and wait till the market closes above the box or the 50% of the box, and then take the retest for the buy up to the previous high right here. So it's a beautiful strategy, super duper simple. I would encourage all beginners to start out with this strategy because it's so simple. All right, guys, happy trading. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed, and profitable week, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.